Helicopter. You guys want to see helicopter again? Here you go. Here's helicopter Neuro. Meowanese. I don't know what that is. Kekwa. Helicopter version 2.0. Hope you guys like Neuro-Copter. Actually, I can't tell if she's bald or if she's having her hair. It's so fast to the point I can't tell whether she's bald or not. I'm actually curious, is she bald or does she has hair? Wait, okay, yeah, she does have hair. She has hair. I see. Okay, good. I can't. Right. She looks like she's bald when she's just speeding like this. Is rigging a full-time job? I am a part student and I'm still a university student and I rig as a part-time job. What's my major? I'm not about to say high school. The fuck do you mean? I major in electrical engineering. Yes, I'm an engineer. Well, I'm gonna drop out. But I really want to drop out. But it's painful.